So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install Apple TV on the Fire Stick. So guys, if you want to install the Apple TV on your Fire Stick, so guys it is very simple. So guys, first of all you can go to your app library. Here you can get to the App Store. After that you can find the search option here, and here you can search the Apple TV. So guys, if you're having the Alexa, so you can use, otherwise you can type. So guys, here is our Apple TV, is the home of Apple TV. MLS season pass, more watch, critical claimed Apple original series. So guys, this is the description of this app. Then you can click on it, and here you can get it. Okay, so you can click on get it. So guys, now Apple TV is now ready to install in your system. Okay, so you can read features. Developer is Apple, work with the Journey Control Fire TV remote, and you can get the original series and movies of Apple TV Plus. Okay, now you can open it. So guys, you can see Apple TV is now installed in our Fire TV within the few steps. Okay, now you can log in and enter your ID password of your Apple ID, and you can enjoy your Apple TV on your Fire Stick and on your big screen. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.